Hi everybody, look who I bumped into at a summer festival. It's the one and only Gemma Hunt. Gemma, how's your summer going?
It's so great, but I can't tell you how excited I am about the 7th of October because we get to work together again.
We do. We love Black History Month and the opportunity to shout about all the amazing contributions that Black people have made throughout our history. This year, we're going to focus on one of the most amazing women, Rosa Parks, and how she changed our world for better. Gemma, you've been working with us for a number of years now. Why do you keep coming back and helping us out as we inspire children about Black History Month?
It's such a crucial assembly for schools to gather to do, to learn together about topics that don't ordinarily often get spoken about in schools, and something that I missed when I was at school. And so I'm so grateful that I can be a part of this now to enable other children to experience something that I didn't experience, and it is definitely worth checking out.
Last year, 230,000 children around the UK joined us for a time of great fun, inspiration and learning, and we'd love to see you here again this year. And it's free to join. Schools can sign up on the website below. Be there. You're going to love our time together.